reasons of inconsistency in precipitation data record. अब क्या क्या इसमें जो है पॉसिबल रीजंस हैं. नंबर 1, चेंज इन द लोकेशन ऑफ रेन गेज. तो एक इसमें ये है कि रेन गेज की लोकेशन चेंज हो गई, या आप कह लें, अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि रीसेंट डाटा, इफ द रीसेंट डाटा इज कंसिडर्ड कंसिस्टेंट और करेक्ट एंड द ओल्ड डाटा इज इनकंसिस्टेंट और इनकरेक्ट, so the reason could be the previously the rain gauge was located at some other location and now the location has been changed and that has caused inconsistency of data. या प्रीवियस लोकेशन ठीक नहीं थी, अब ठीक है, तो ये भी पॉसिबल है. चेंज ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट. तो प्रीवियसली से दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट वाज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली, नाउ यू हैव चेंज इट एंड इट इज गिविंग द बेटर रीडिंग्स, दैट इज पॉसिबल. या इफ यू आर सेइंग the older data was correct and the later data was wrong, so again it is possible that later on some problem came to the rain gauge and it was changed. Change in the observational procedure. So previously the observation were taken with different procedure, with different equation maybe, and now the way out is changed, so that previously it was wrong, now it's correct. It depends. So that can lead to the inconsistent data at a gauging station. Now before going to the procedure, this is the figure that you have to make in this space available. It's on page number 23. So there is one rectangular space available where you have to show the location of station X and surrounding stations in the basin. So because you have been given 20 surrounding stations जिनका डाटा आपको एवरेज का दिया गया है, so you can show the station X maybe somewhere in the middle and you can show the 20 surrounding stations with their names 1 2 3 4 or whatever. तो ये फिगर आपने बनानी. यहाँ कुछ स्टेशन शो किए गए हैं just to show you that how you have to make this figure. For your case, when you will make it, so you may show X station somewhere in the middle and other surrounding stations not exactly at same distance from the X and are same distance from each other. तो वो randomly आप भी show कर सकते हैं with their number. So there should be 20 surrounding stations of the station X. So this figure you have to make there.